In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Copilot. We'll go step by step through the process so you can easily manage Copilot in your Microsoft applications. Let's get started. First, if you're using Copilot in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or OneNote on Windows, open the application you want to modify. Once the app is open, navigate to the top left corner and click on File. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Options. Now, you should see a list of settings. Look for the Copilot option and select it. Here, you'll find a checkbox labeled Enable Copilot. Go ahead and uncheck this box. This step is crucial as it directly disables Copilot's functionality in that app. After that, click OK to confirm your changes. Don't forget to close and reopen the app. This ensures that your changes take effect. It's important to note that you'll need to repeat these steps for each app where you want to disable Copilot. This might seem repetitive, but it gives you control over which apps have Copilot enabled. Now let's move on to Outlook. If you're using Copilot in Outlook, start by opening the application. Once Outlook is open, go to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, you'll find the Copilot option. Select it and you'll see a toggle switch labeled Turn on Copilot. Simply turn this toggle off. This action will disable Copilot in Outlook. If you're not seeing the Copilot option in your Outlook settings, don't worry. There's an alternative method using privacy settings. Open any Microsoft 365 app. Once inside, head to File, then Account. From there, select Account Privacy, followed by Manage Settings. In the Manage Settings section, look for the Connected Experiences option. You'll find a toggle that says Turn on Experiences that analyze your content. Turn this off. This step ensures Copilot and other AI-powered features are disabled. Please note, turning off this setting may also disable other helpful features like text predictions and suggested replies. Restart the app to apply these changes. Lastly, if you only want to hide the Copilot button without fully disabling the feature, there's a simple way to do that. Open the app where you want to hide the Copilot button. Go to File and then Options. From there, select Customize Ribbon. In this section, you can remove the Copilot button from the ribbon. Once you've done that, click OK. Remember, this hides the button but does not turn off Copilot completely. With all these steps, you should have a good handle on managing Copilot in your Microsoft apps. Disabling or hiding Copilot can give you a cleaner interface and reduce distractions, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Remember, each step is designed to give you control over your application environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope these instructions were helpful. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need to adjust your Copilot settings.